been waiting for a long time. What took you pheasants so long?
Oh dear, please come inside. Squirrel, I think you caught a cold.
There you go.
Eat this all up. It'll make you feel much better.
Thank you very much.
I'll feed it to you, Squirrel.
The pheasants are being so nice to me. I am feeling much better now. I can pretend to be sick for a little longer. Hey, I'm still feeling kind of hungry. It is a little warm.
No problem.
Your Majesty, how can we serve you? Your favorite! Oh, yeah! These look excellent. Squirrel! Squirrel! Acorns! I gotta get my hands on some acorns. This is taking a long time. Where are they? Huh? Is that a giant gold acorn? It's perfect!
Look at this acorn!
Hey, it's mine!
I found it on the ground.
Hand it over!
Oh? That's too bad. When you're not feeling well, it's best to eat hot porridge and stay away from acorns.
All right, then we get to eat it. Hang on, I really want to eat this acorn, and I'm not even sick. I've just been pretending.
Here, subscribe to our channel.